we are learn some problems which depends on the applications of trigonometry in exercise 6.2. Some problems which are very important. 6.2 exercise is very important. All the word problems are there. You have to use the applications of trigonometry. Means you can find height or distance between any two objects by using the applications of trigonometry. Now first let's revise what is meant by angle of elevation and angle of depression. Now see here, what is meant by angle of elevation? If an observer, now if A is the observer and it looks at which point? B, at a higher level. If observer looks at a higher level, then angle between them, it is called as angle of elevation. It is the angle of elevation. He looks which is B, he looks at which point? B, which is to the higher of A, then this angle is said to be angle of elevation. Now what is meant by angle of depression? If any person looks from higher level to lower level, higher level to lower level, then here is the horizontal line. This angle is said to be angle of depression. Angle of depression. If he looks from top to bottom, angle of depression. From bottom to top, angle of elevation. It is said to be a angle of elevation. From bottom to top. If he looks from bottom to top, then angle of elevation. From top to bottom, then angle of depression. And these two angles are always common. These two are which type of angles? Alternate angles. Now if it is 60, then here also you have to take the 60. Now if this side is given, you have to find out this side. What you have to use? Opposite upon adjacent, means tan. Now if this side is given and this side is given, you have to use sine, opposite upon hypotenuse. If this side is given and you have to find out hypotenuse, then what you have to use? Adjacent upon hypotenuse, that is the cos. You have to use any one ratio, tan, cos and sine, and then find out the answer. Now see here, what is the first problem? Now what is the first problem? A person is standing at a distance of 80 meters from the church. Now AB is a church, a person is standing 80 meters. Here C is the position of person, making an angle of elevation of 45. It makes an angle of elevation of 45. You have to find out height of the church. So first write down what is given in the triangle. In triangle ABC, AB is height of church, that you have to find out. Now BC is distance between person and church. C is the position of person. Distance between, that is given 80 meter. And angle ACB, it is the angle of elevation, that is 45. Now see here, what you have to find out? AB means it is the opposite side, it is the adjacent side. Means what you have to use? Adjacent side is given, opposite is not given. So you have to use here tan 45, opposite upon adjacent, means AB upon this. Now tan 45, what is the value of tan 45? 1. Now AB is, you have to find out BC is 80 and therefore AB is how much? 80 meter. Therefore height of church is how much? 80 meter. What you have to do, students? Draw the figure first. First write down. Draw the figure, then write down what you have to take. AB is height of the church, that you have to find out. BC is the distance between the person and the church. Then angle of elevation is 45. And then tan 45 is equal to AB upon BC. Therefore tan 45 is 1. Now put the values, you get the answer. Now see the second question. What is given in the second question, student? Now second is from the top of the lighthouse. Now see here, EF is the lighthouse. EF, height of lighthouse. that is given 90 meter. Height of the lighthouse is given. Then an observer looking at a ship makes an angle of depression. Here is the observer. E means observer. It looks at and making an angle of 60. Now it makes an angle of with the horizontal 60, angle of depression. If the height of the lighthouse is 90, you have to find out how the ship is from the lighthouse. You have to find out GF, distance between lighthouse and ship. Distance between lighthouse and ship that you have to find. Now it is the angle theta, angle of depression, that is 60. And then in triangle EGF, now DF is parallel to GF, DE is parallel to GF, DE is parallel to GF, so therefore you can take angle DEG is equal to angle EGF. EGF, which type of angles? Alternate angles. Now here also, here is the adjacent, it is the opposite. Opposite is given, you have to find out adjacent. So what you have to take? Tan 60. Tan 60 is equal to opposite upon adjacent. Opposite means what is the EF upon adjacent is GF. Now EF is how much? 90. GF you have to find out. Now what is the value of tan 60? Tan 60 is root 3. So tan 60 is root 3 equal to 90 upon GF. And therefore GF is equal to 90 upon root 3. Now you have to here rationalize the denominator, multiply by root 3 and divide by root 3. Now here 90 into root 3 upon root 3 into root 3, 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 90. And then you get here 30 into root 3. Now put the value of root 3, that is 1.73. Now 30 into 1.73, and then you get the answer. Now see here, what you have to do here, height of the lighthouse, that is 90 meter, then distance between the lighthouse and ship, then angle of depression is 60. Here these two angles are common, alternate angles, lines are parallel, and then you have to take tan 60, put the values and you get the answer. So students, write down these two problems in your copy. We will take next problems in the next week. Thank you and have a nice day.